Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SDK, IDE, and device access. Run Flutter Doctor and fix remaining issues. This ensures tooling works before coding. Once done, create a new project with Flutter. Create My App so folder structure, pubspec, and default app are ready. Make sure to open the project in your IDE, attach a device or emulator, and run Flutter Run to verify the base app launches. This quick verification prevents wasted time later. You now implement the UI and pick state management. Decide between simple set state or provider/riverpod for scalability and low-C for complex streams. Create reusable widgets. Use scaffold and app bar for structure, list view for lists, and media query or layout builder for responsiveness. Once widgets exist, update pubspec. YAML with packages and assets, then run Flutter pub-get. Make sure to hot reload frequently to iterate quickly. Continuous testing of widget behavior prevents cascading. You finish by integrating platform specifics. Set permissions, app icons, and any native channels, then write tests. Unit for logic, widget for UI, and integration for flows. Run Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS for release artifacts, sign them correctly, and follow store upload steps. If a build fails, check logs for missing permissions or mismatched Gradle/Xcode settings. A common fix is cleaning, Flutter clean, and rebuilding, then rechecking dependency versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.